morning. We are up and swinging. This is our 8th day, I believe, in Oregon. And we're going to go out and do some exploring since the competition is over for the National Veteran Wheelchair Games. And I'm just cooking some breakfast right now. So I'm cooking some grits, eggs, and sausages. So we'll be nice and energized before we go out. I think we might do some hiking today, or maybe go to some of their museums that they have. So we're not sure, but we will take you guys along with us. So we are waiting to pick up our RV whenever they said that they were going to call us when it was ready. So we decided to bring the kids out to do some bowling and do some laser tag so I can whoop up on them. So just decided to do something fun, you know, while we have time to spare. So we found this nice place here. It's called, I think it's called Super Play in Beaverton area. I think it's the Beaverton area.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Okay, let me see. I think I know what I'm doing wrong. Okay.
Yeah, I know what you're doing wrong. You're going in the gutter.
Running? Where's he running from?
I'm not even running. Because I'm going to shoot. Not shoot. I'm not. I just you were. I'll shoot.
No, I'm not. Only talking in your base. Yeah,
you're not. He mounts.
Where's Henry?
Look, he mounts like this. He mounts like this. Shoot right. So I shoot McKill. Ethan, get out the way. So he try to push this. And I'll shoot Ethan.
Get my way.
What?
Best player.
Yeah.
Okay, MVP.
Right, we made it back safely. We had a good time. The boys had a great time at laser tag. We still didn't receive the call from Camping World about our RV being ready, but it's okay. My husband said, hey, don't rush them. If they putting that hitch on, if they ran into any complications, do not rush them to call us to make us come pick up something that's not completed. So yeah, so we have this RV spot until Wednesday. So hopefully it doesn't take until Wednesday, but if it does, then we're good. So right now I'm doing one thing that my family always has me doing, and that's laundry. So I'm getting ready to head to the laundromat in the RV park. We're gonna wash some laundry. So then we don't have any dirty clothes with us as we're traveling. Just the clothes on our backs. And that will be it. That will be it. So let's get this laundry done. Get ready to transfer everything over. It's a good day. We've had this RV for a couple of years and we're on to bigger and better things. It's a blessing. Okay, we moved everything from out of our old RV into the new RV, and it was a little bit more than what we thought that we had, you know. So everything was smooth. We had the AC on while we were working, so that made it a little bit better. And then many hands make light work. We had the boys moving things in and out, so it worked out pretty good. So right now we're just inside the Camping World store getting some things that we will need to function in this RV. Some more hoses, some little, you know, essentials, I feel like, some necessary things. Hey, we're excited. We're back on the road and we're going to be going through California. We're not sure where our first stop is going to be at because we kind of just freestyling. We have some friends that stay in Arizona, and then we have friends that stay in Texas. And yeah, we're going to go and we're going to have a good time in between getting home. We're going to have a lot of fun. Y'all ready?
Yep.
All right, let's roll. All right, we made it to California. We're in Hornbrook, at a Chevron and has like a truck stop. So we pulled in and we're gonna get some sleep because it's about 1:15 right now in the morning. And so, yeah, thank you guys for just staying and watching as we travel from Oregon and go back to Florida. All right, we're up and swinging. We had good rest last night. This was our first night sleeping in the RV. We didn't have any power, no hookup, just our battery power. But it was still a comfortable rest last night. And now we're gonna go through California. We don't even really know what we're gonna stop at. We have some military bases in mind. And we might stop there and camp for a couple of nights so we can be able to adventure and see what's around us. But just stay tuned. So we just stopped to get some water, some snacks, and we are in Nevada right now. The route that we're going and the place that we're going to be staying tonight is in California. But my GPS said that this will be the best and quickest route with the RV. So it's going to take us here in Nevada and take us back to California. And we'll be staying on the military base. I believe it's Chinese Lake. I'll put the correct name down below. But we'll be staying there and for a couple of days. We'll explore that area. All right, everybody, it's pretty late. We made it to our campground safely. We are in California on the Navy base, what is it called? China Lake. We are on Navy base China Lake, and our campground is Sierra Vista. And it's really empty. It's not a lot of RVs here. We can't see much because it's really dark. So we're gonna go ahead and lay it down, and we will take you guys with us in the AM. Good morning. Now that we're up and we can see everything, it's beautiful. It's right across from a golf course, and it's cool. So we're gonna do some running around because we have to go to the grocery store on the base and get some stuff for the kids and prepare for our the rest of our road trip. We wound up getting everything we needed out of Walmart, and we also went to another RV repair store because we had to get something that Walmart didn't have. So they had everything we needed in there. And so we got the kids some Panda Express because it's so hot. I was going to barbecue some chicken for lunch, but I'm going to wait until the sun goes down a little bit and it gets a little cooler. It says it's 104 degrees here in Ridgecrest, California. It's hot, but we're used to it because we're Floridians, but it's a dry heat. But we'll be okay.
We don't need a grill. All we gotta do is just put the chicken out there on the concrete and it'll grill itself.
See how he act? That's why you can't take him nowhere.
That's how hot it is.
That's how hot it is, and you crack an egg open on the ground.
Crack an egg open.
No, but seriously though, you might, that egg will like whiten.
I know it will. If it don't whiten, it's gonna blacken.
Anyway, so we're gonna go back to the RV park, and then we are going to sit down, eat, and stay cool and hydrated. All right, we decided to take advantage of their family center that they have. So we over here just gonna watch TV, play a game of chess or two, the boys are, and just relax outside of the RV. All right, we hung out for a while in the community center, and we just kind of drove around a little bit on base and just got out a little bit. So now I'm doing what I have to do. I'm cooking. So we're gonna have some grilled chicken wings, and then some rice, some string beans. We're gonna eat up, and we'll see you guys in Las Vegas. All right, we're getting everything packed up, getting ready to pull out of Ridgecrest, California. The military base here was China Lake Naval Base. Really nice, simple base. Very dry. It's the desert, so if you come here, make sure you come at the right time because the temperature peaked to about 107. So it got really hot and it is dry. So let's pack up everything and let's head to our next destination. And I just realized that I get on the videos and I don't tell you guys what's been going on. Thank you for watching it, but we are leaving Oregon. We were in Oregon for 7 days at the National Veteran Wheelchair Games, and now we are taking a road trip back home to Florida. So we're traveling from Portland, Oregon, going through California, Nevada, that way. So thank you guys for watching. Let's head to Las Vegas. All right, good morning. We are out and about. We are heading to a doggy daycare that I found for Lily to get her out and allow her to meet some new doggy friends and stretch her legs. So that's gonna be nice. Hopefully they do her good. They got good reviews. And then after that, the crew, we're going to the Marvel Station. We are all Marvel fans. We love Marvel movies. So we're gonna go there. Hopefully I'm able to record when I go in. But if not, then I can take you as far as they allow me to.
We'll begin with the Wakanda section. Everything in Wakanda, or everything they show in Wakanda, is either actual places in Africa, for like landscaping shots, places in Africa that have been like up.
We're doing something we always enjoy doing as a family, and that's bowling, just to get us out of the RV and, you know, have some fun, because it's hot outside. Got the kids home so we can get out and walk around, and we don't got to worry about anybody asking, when are we going back? It's hot, because right now it's about, let's see, about 9 o'clock, and it is still 101 outside, so it is hot. All right, let's go enjoy Vegas. We found this nice little restaurant called Eureka. It looks like it's nice. Hopefully the food is good, so we will see. Okay, we just got done with the restaurant Eureka. It was really good, nice and quiet. AC, that was the most important part, because it's still hot out here. Let me see what time it is, y'all. It is almost 12 o'clock in the morning, and it is hot. It has to be about 105 right now. But it was nice. It was nice. I'm happy we didn't bring the kids with us. Baby, it was so R-rated out here. I was like, oh, let me go sit down somewhere. Now we get ready to go home to the boys. And we will see you guys on the AM. Look here. It's hot out here. Still, yet and still hot. Morning, good morning. Back at it again in Las Vegas. Lily, really? So we have to go to the bait. We have to get from out of there. Too much going on. Right, we're gonna head over to the commissary to pick up a couple of things. We don't need a lot. But my husband he's driving, and I'm looking at the little temperature gauge, and it says 121. And it's 11. What time is it? It's 11:17. And that doggone thing said 121 degrees outside. And I was just telling him, as we RV, I realized that in certain places you do not want to visit certain times of the year. Because this will be our first and last time coming this way at this time of the year. It's too hot. We will come back, but it will have to be November-ish, October, all the months that ends with Burr. If the months don't end with Burr, we're not coming over here. Right here chilling with my favorite Ethan in the world. No Ethan like him. And today is our last night in Las Vegas, Nevada. Really enjoyed ourselves. I'm gonna make a little quick video later about what we learned about Las Vegas. It's like, one thing I can tell you is that we will never come here again in the month of July. That's one thing I knew for a fact, that we as a Sawyer crew, we all agreed on that. It was way too hot. It was way too hot, but we had a good time, and our next stop will be, I don't know, I'm not sure. I'm gonna Google something and kind of freestyle on the way back home. All right, see you guys on the next video.